Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start investing in blue chip stocks with Vanguard easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start investing in blue chip stocks with Vanguard, first, visit the Vanguard website. Create an account by clicking on the Personal Investors tab. Select Open an account and follow the prompts. You'll need to provide personal information, including your social security number and employment details. After completing the form, review and submit your application. Once your account is open, log in to your Vanguard account. Navigate to the Investments section of the website. Here, you can explore various investment options. To focus on blue chip stocks, look for mutual funds or ETFs that specialize in these staples. Once you've selected a fund or ETF, click on it for more details. Review the fund's performance history, expense ratios, and top holdings. When you're ready to invest, click on the Trade button. Enter the amount you wish to invest or the number of shares you want to purchase. Choose whether to place a market order or a limit order. Confirm your transaction details before finalizing your investment. After your order is executed, you can monitor your investment from your Vanguard account dashboard. Make sure to regularly review your investment and adjust your portfolio as needed. Investing in blue chip stocks can be a great way to build long-term wealth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.